Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, after we saw the massive rally from Bitcoin crossing close to 68,000, there is a slight profit taking where Bitcoin actually fell below 67,000 today. But one of the things that should blow your mind is digital asset investment products experienced a $2.2 billion inflow, one of the highest we've seen in a long time. And one of the tokens that's actually holding really strong, even though Bitcoin was able to take a little bit of a pullback, is actually Dogecoin. And especially if you look at the meme coins, they have seen a really good growth in terms of their market cap, now sitting close to 55 billion. Now this is the perfect time. This pullback is the pullback before we see another explosive move from Bitcoin, where it's most likely going to break its all-time high, and you want to position yourself in a way so you can actually make the most profit. And that's exactly when PEPE Unchained comes in. If you guys have been following the channel for a long time, you guys know about 2 months ago I talked about this token. It was in a pre-sale stage and it was going to be a long pre-sale, but you can see at the time it had only gathered, or it had, pretty much raised close to, you can say, $1.2 million, and today it has raised over $22 million. Now that's a lot of money that's been raised by this token. Why is this a big deal? Because if you actually put in money into this token when I first talked about this, or initially talked about this, you could have already made 21x your money. Now that gives you perspective, but Sky, is it too late now? And the answer is no. I personally feel like the type of utility that this token is trying to bring, there's still so much potential left in this token. First of all, if you guys do not know, one PEPE, that's the name of the token, is worth about 1.1 cent. And I personally feel like by the time it even gets listed, it's most likely going to climb another 2x. On the other end, what does this token do? First of all, meme coin, PEPE is the big chain, but what is different from the original PEPE token? Well, this is better speed, better gain, and same delicious PEPE flavor. Instant bridging between Ethereum and PEPE chain, lowest transaction fee, higher volume capacity, and 100x faster than Ethereum, and dedicated block explorer. So you guys know that they are trying to do a lot of things in the back end. On the other end, if you guys do decide to purchase it, you can actually stake away your token in the time the pre-sale comes to an end. And right now they are giving out about 103% per annum return. That's a lot of money. If you think about it, your money is already doubling every single year if you just decide to stake it. At the start, it was around 500, but now as more and more people are buying into the token, obviously the per annum return for the staking is definitely going to go down. On the other end, if you want to talk about the token audit, it has been done and there is no problem. I mean, if you just look down here, you guys will realize there's literally no problem with the code. Everything is perfect and you guys will be able to be completely safe, as you do want your money to be safe. Now, boys and girls, layer 2, the blockchain ecosystem DEX, swap the token, bridge, block explorer, staking, and dev guaranteed. So right now they are trying to do a lot of things together. You can see that they're trying to become the bridge, also have the block explorer, and become staking, and they want to be pretty much a PEPE with utility. That's the best way to describe their future plan. If are you in a blockchain builder and you want to become part of it, well, just build, submit your grant application, the PEPE Council votes, and then you will be able to become part of this quite easily. Can devs do something? And at the same time, if you want to purchase it, it's actually very simple. You just need to make a wallet. Then you guys need to make your way to this website. I'll link it down in the description. Then you just need to click on connect your wallet. Then once it's connected, you guys just need to put in how much of Ethereum or how much of USDT you guys would like to convert into PEPE. So once you put it in, it will tell you how much you receive, buy, and then you guys will be able to stake it away. On the other end, and pre-sale 40%, staking 30%, 10% goes to marketing, 7.5% to liquidity, 7.5% to project development, and 5% to chain inventory. The total amount of token is going to be 8 billion, and this is the overall tokenomics in terms of what they want to do. And this is their roadmap, pretty much make PEPE great again, coin eruption, and get that layer 2 launch. Now, if you talk about their Twitter following, they have over 52,000, and every single tweet gets a very decent amount of following. And on Telegram, they have over 10,000 subscribers, so they do have a huge following. I highly recommend them. Honestly, they still have a long way to go. If you do want to check them out, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and honestly, go buy it before it gets released. Have a great day.